Hey guys, so I have this. It is a popsicle gun, but I mean it uses a rubber band. It fires kind of hard. It's not that much, so. But if you do want to build one of these, it is easy. You do need a lot of popsicles though. First, you're gonna need probably like a sturdy base. So I just hot glued a bunch of them together, and then. But before then, you're gonna want to put two, and two. You can make the barrel as big as you want, three. You can add 2 barrels, make it a shotgun. Like, you could add barrels. Then you're gonna need this part on top to grab the rubber band. Then, you're gonna have a rubber band. And you want this part to stop the bullet, in this case, this projectile, from going whee and over. I did create this 2-3 years ago, and when I was in my old room, actually, I think. But so, you want to make one? Here's the design. You want this, so you have something to put the projectile while it's being pulled at. It's a lot of hot glue though. And then the projectile. Right now, you could use a pencil actually, but right now, a popsicle stick. It's a smaller one. From what popsicle I ate. And I just made an indentation here. First cut it with scissors, then used a new machine I got, and it just grinded in. And then the top here, I asked someone that I know to cut it, and then I sanded it down. So to actually fire it, fun part, you're gonna have to put the rubber band right here in between, in the middle, on both sides. And I don't do that many science videos or technology videos, but yeah, I do a ton of stuff. Then you're gonna put the indented side in. It's actually the first video I've made in a while. You're gonna pull it, you're gonna push it, sorry, and with your, if you're a left-hand person, it's gonna be the opposite of me. If you're a right-hand person, then I'll tell you how. So you're gonna grab the, after you push it in with your right hand, grab it with your left, then you're gonna flip it, grab it with your right. That's the way I do it. As you can see, it's going right in the indentation. Just gonna pull back the rubber band. Now, this, you can just put the bottom part level to it, but I find that that just lets it go regularly. For this is one popsicle stick above, so you can see this ends here, and then this is above. So, since this ends above, you're gonna need something that's curved like this, or a sharpened pencil. Again, you can, if you don't want to do that, you can just put that and you can throw dull stuff. So, boom, and it's just gonna slide up. You do want to avoid this, or the rubber band pulling up on top of it. So, like this. You don't want that. You want the rubber band to stay on the bottom. Since it is sharp, pointy, it's not sharp, but it's pointy, I'm gonna be using paper plate. Let me align it. It might not stick, it might just bounce off, which, hey, even better. I'm not that far from it, probably around 3-4 feet. It did not stick, but now let's see how to actually launch it. So again, you're gonna push it in. You can also do it with your left hand and do it with the right. And I'm just gonna pull it back. That was not supposed to happen. It is kind of dangerous for your eyes and other people and animals. I'm obligated to say that. Again, it's just a little pointy. Shouldn't go into furniture or anything. It's bouncing off a paper plate or foam plate. Push it back. It should just go in and up. Boom. Again, it did bounce off the paper plate. Now let's see if I can get it to stick to the paper plate. So as you can see, it is sharp and it has stuck before. That's how I got the idea to make the video. Let's do that. Reload it. Sorry. Push it in. There. There. Try that in at the plate. I want to see if I can stick it in to the plate. As you can see here. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that's where it's stuck in the first time. Boom! As you can see, let me move this. I just needed to pull it a little more. And I went right in. But it did take a couple times to actually go in. And every time it does, just like a wall or miss it, it gets duller. So if you're gonna try it with this, just make it sharp. Not too sharp. Just enough to poke a paper plate. The damage is okay. You can see it right there. Boom. So it's okay. For a popsicle stick, a little experiment I do want to try on camera. Does another rubber band add more force? Let me see if I can find another rubber band. Got one. A rubber band. And in case you don't have a, just gonna like that, and then let me go again. So it's gonna be bottom over here, and then you're just gonna pull it and make it go under here. But now this one is not as thick as the first rubber band, but it is there. Again, too many rubber bands might not be able to grab onto that. You're gonna push it through. It's a lot more strong now. Yeah, so that's a problem. The new rubber band isn't going up there. Actually trying this on camera for the first time. Okay, it's a lot more strong. Okay. So with rubber bands, it goes hard. See if you can see that. And that one went straight in. And the other one went like this. And then it would stay like that. Sideways. This one actually went straight. And I did flip because I launched it vertically. So that means somewhere along the path it's going horizontally because it went right into it, almost 0 degrees. But hey, if you do want to invent something like that, I am probably gonna do more of this kind of stuff. I like doing this. I know I also created I tried to make this one. As you can see, broken. This really holds on, and this is moving. This is probably trash. I have more popsicle sticks. I can make whatever. But again, just make it pointy and be safe. It is just regular popsicle sticks. But again, please like, subscribe, and I'll probably be making more of this stuff. Bye guys.